Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And going forward, there's really two main technical levels that stand out to me, going into next week. First area is from the resistance standpoint, and it's all about this resistance trend line right here, which, as you see, over essentially the course of the past week, has done a fantastic job of just forecasting where the sellers may show up. And you just look at where the highs have been. And yeah, there's been nice movements upwards, but each movement upwards, these highs just keep getting lower and lower. Hence the ability now to draw on this downtrending trend line there. So going into next week, this is by far, the key level of resistance to watch going forward. Right around, now it's hard to assign an exact number to that level because obviously that line is, decreasing as time goes by. But right around, 205-ish is going to be that key level as of now. But like I said, depending on how, things play out, the next level, it could eventually theoretically drop down below $2 because, again, this line is moving itself lower and lower as time goes by. But moral of the story here is that from the resistance standpoint, as far as the overarching areas of resistance are concerned, easiest way to approach this chart is just to watch that big picture trend line right there. And then on the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, it's all about this pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. You can actually see already two separate occasions. Price did a good job of bouncing off that level. The 200 period is one of those areas where even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, ideally speaking, you want to see the price stay up above it, and so far so good in that regard. And currently that is valued at $1.74. So again, key level of resistance, that overall trend line, key level of support, the 200 period moving average. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.